It's one of my favorite parts. It's a relatively simple little part. This is a small marine exhaust plenum. So basically this fits over the output, and it's just basically there to give some expansion room for the volume and to direct the flow to try to silence the engine. You know, Aldous Huxley told us, he once said that experience is not what happens to a man, it's what man does with what has happened to him. So one thing that's happened to us is we've had to fight through some issues with similar designs and similar weld joints before. So we could make the part, but you know, the cross-section changes in the injection molded piece would lead to some sink, which would lead to uneven warpage. That's going to cause, you know, welding issues, trying to get the parts to fit back together. Not to mention that welding is, you know, always just easiest in a flat plane. You know, one of the nice things about our Hudson is that we have capabilities to manufacture parts in many ways. So what we suggested was, you know, changing it to a simple blow molded piece with just a small injection molded connection ring. Notice how simple the joint is now. It's flat, and it's just a small round joint. I don't even think we scrapped a single part even in setup, the very first startup runs. We were able to, you know, suggest a simpler connection up here. Now they use two little thread forming screws, the holes for which are just blown right into the part. So, you know, because we're not just tied to one production method, you know, we're able to back up from the design and look at it from the, you know, best perspective for manufacturability. To me, that's one of my favorite things about working at R.L. Hudson.